During an earthquake. If you are indoors, drop to the ground and take cover under a desk or table if possible. If there is no desk or table nearby, cover your face and head with your arms and hide in a corner. If you are outdoors, find an open space away from buildings, trees, and power lines, and drop to the ground. If you are in a vehicle, stop the car and stay inside until the shaking stops. After an earthquake. Stay calm and assess your surroundings for any potential hazards, such as damaged buildings, gas leaks, or fallen power lines. If you are indoors, evacuate the building if you believe it is unsafe. If you are unable to evacuate, take cover under a desk or table until it is safe to do so. If you are outdoors, stay away from buildings, trees, and power lines, as they may have been damaged and could fall. Check yourself and others for injuries and provide first aid if necessary. Use a phone only if necessary, as lines may be congested, and be prepared to turn off gas, electricity, and water at the main switch if you suspect there has been damage to these systems. Follow the instructions of local authorities, as they will have information on the extent of the damage and the best course of action to take in your area.